What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Fake Bougie. In today's video, I'm going to show you all another quick and easy glueless wig look. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to like and subscribe. But let's get right into this beautiful hair that I got from Binf Hair Company. All right, so this is the way it was shipped to me, and it also came with this cute little color strip that I ended up giving to my daughter, some wig caps that are clearly the wrong color, and this is the wig. And I love the way that they packaged it, just to make sure it stayed secure since it is so curly while being shipped. And it came actually very quickly. It only took maybe 5 days to a week to come. And this is the hair, super curly. Now, even though it doesn't have any lace on it, you do still get combs. You get 3 combs, and you get the little pool things in the back. I forgot what these are called. It's like the elastic straps in the back. And the top of the wig, even though it doesn't have lace, it is very breathable. The wefts are very hidden and just overall really pretty. I love the curl pattern. Super curly. This is their water wave Remy pixie cut bob wig, and it is human hair. Absolutely cute. They do have a couple of different lengths that you can order it in. I believe from like 10 inches up to 14 or 16. You'll have to check out the link that I put in the site. So for this install, no glue, just water, a wig cap, in your color, a paddle brush. I'm also going to be using some leave-in conditioner, a clip, and a cute bandana to style the hair with, or a scarf, whatever you want to call it. So first I'm just going to put on the wig cap, and like I say, you want to make sure that it is your color, even though it's not going to show. I still like to make sure I get my color. They always send me like the most chocolate wig cap that they can find. I guess I'm giving hella melanin vibes. Next, I'm just going to spritz the water onto the wig, and I'm not doing a light amount. I'm doing it pretty heavy, but not oversaturating the hair. I don't want it to be wet, but I do want it to be pretty damp, just so I can have more control over the curls. And so once I get done spraying it, I'm just going to kind of rub it in a little bit, make sure everything is saturated. And I also wanted to show you all how the wig is closed at the top. It's kind of like spiraled. I thought that there was a part, that's what it looked like on the website, but that's not how it comes to you. So I just wanted to point that out. So before I put it on, I'm going to attach the elastic bands in the back to my head sides, and then just flip it on this way, which I found is easiest. I'm going to make sure the pools next to the sides of my ear are completely on, and then really that's it. So this next part, I'm just going to be showing you all basically how I styled it and how I fit the wig to go specifically with my head, head shape, all that good stuff. And I found that when you get wigs like this, the next steps that I'm going to show you all are very important, because it is a short curly look. You do have to make it fit your specific, head shape. And so this is how it came out. Super curly, super cute. And I'm just going to use a little bit of leave-in conditioner. If you don't have a leave-in, you can just use regular conditioner. Again, this is just to give you control of the curls. You can also use mousse if you would like to. It just kind of tames the curls, helps you manipulate them, and holds them in place as they dry, so it doesn't get too frizzy and wild and crazy and all over the place. And I will say, I absolutely love the bang on this. It's cut perfectly to the right size, especially for my head, and it frames my eyes really beautifully. As I said, I did want to try and make sure that it fit my specific head shape. So I'm just going to go in actually with a pair of scissors and lightly trim. And when you do this, you want to make sure it's actually at an angle. And so I started out with larger bits and then I would go in and just pick up little smaller pieces a little bit at a time. I try to focus on the front, like so going from my cheek, like back to where my ear is, and then try to cut it to match closer to the back, but to leave the back alone because you don't want to, cut too much in the back because it's already short. Basically, what you're doing in the front is cutting it to frame your face. You're not, cutting it to get rid of length or anything like that. You're just basically framing your face. And I will show you all my inspo pic, which was actually on their website for the wig. So I'm just trying to make the wig fit me the way, I saw it on the website because that's what I wanted. That's what I wanted to give. And so I'm just going in and doing, like little snips here and there. You don't want to cut too much. Anytime you cut hair, less is more. And that way you can go in and perfect it as you go. And like I said, I'm just trying to frame my specific face. And yeah, just taking my time cutting it through. And I will be doing this to both sides. Now the sides do not have to look exactly alike. That is not the point, but you don't want it to be like crazy uneven or, just look crazy in general. So even though I'm cutting this side, I'm still looking over at what I did on the other side and just paying very close attention to make sure, like I said, the overall look is framing my face the way that I want it to be framed. I didn't want the hair to all be one length. I felt like that looked, I don't know, since it's so curly and since it has the bang and it's short, that makes it look a little, like a little richer, like Shaggy Dog or something like that. And that's not what I'm going for. I'm going for a cute, summery, curly pixie cut vibe. Just something trendy for the summer season as the weather gets hot. You don't want super long wigs all the time. So yeah, just trimming it up will make it fit your face a little bit better. And so this is what it ended up looking like after I trimmed everything and cut it to the, the way that I wanted it to be for my cute little face. And next I'm just going to use the bandana that I showed you all, or the scarf, and just tie it around. And I thought this was super, super cute. I love the way that it turned out. The curls are definitely popping. I love that it's low maintenance. It stayed curly throughout the time that I wore it. I love that there was no glue, y'all. Like literally nothing. No glue, no leave out. All I had to do was braid my hair down. And because this wig is curly, even if you don't know how to braid or like you can't braid your hair down, you can still just do your hair in like a low bun or something, and just make sure that the back is not like puffs like your real hair, and then just slip the wig right on. This is so low maintenance. Absolutely love, love, love it. Again, this is from Binf Hair Company. I will have this product as well as their website and social media handles, if they give them to me, listed below in the description box for you guys. So if you are looking for something super cute and short, low maintenance, definitely try this out. I love it with and without the scarf tie look. I just really wanted to try it and I thought it was super cute. This is my first time doing a look with bangs. Love, love, love it. But make sure you all check out Binf's website, which I said will be linked below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, stay bougie.